Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. This is Raja. In this video, we are going to look at the stock Power Black. It's added to the tracker back in August. Since then, now it's posting almost 32% gain. Looks like the stock is now going through a consolidation. So let's look at the chart and see whether this stock still a buy or a sell or a hold at this price level. Depending upon the situation, we'll be looking at a couple of calls or put. So my main objective of this video is to give you as actionable information as possible in short span of time. So let's get started. And before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out. All the informations are recorded out there, so you can refer it whenever you want. Please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys as part of the conversation. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this stock and many stocks in coming days. As always, let's start with the website tracker. This stock is added to the tracker back in August 12th when it was trading around $10.63, and as of today it's close to around $14, and it's posting almost 31% gains since then. So back in 8/12, the minimum entry price was $10.63 and the maximum entry price was $11.16, and the stop loss was around $9.78, which was never in danger because the stock never priced below that price level. So if you come down below the tracker, it looks like a secondary entry point. It looks like the stock is now offering a secondary entry point between $13.14 to $13.80. So the stop loss is around $12.09. So let's look at and see why this is a secondary entry point, and we can see whether this stock is now still in this range, or it is going to rally from here, or it's going to now go down. So let's look at the chart and see why this is a secondary entry point. So you guys are looking at the weekly setting for plug. I like the weekly settings because it eliminates a lot of daily noise and give you some kind of indicator for short term to long term trading, anywhere between 3 months to 6 months. So I like the weekly settings because it eliminates a lot of daily noise. And the two indicators that I follow is the 10-week moving average and 50-week moving average. And lately I added the 20-week moving average to play around that short term trend. So don't worry about that for now. It might valuable for some stock, not for this one. So this stock is now added to the tracker back in here in August when it's found supported its 10-week moving average and bounced back. The original entry point was around here. It was not added at the time, but this is the point where it's added to the tracker, and it's rallied really nicely since then. So it's rallied almost 30 to 40%, then it moved sideways and it consolidated, and it found support at the 10-week moving average again. So that is the reason it's offering a secondary entry point. So the secondary maximum entry point around would be $13.80. So this stock is a little extended, but still it is in the buy zone. So it is not that crazily extended. So it's still offering a buy point. So if you want to now have a look at it, you can start with a small pilot buy. So as we are now a little bit bullish on this stock, so let's look at a couple of calls for this guy. So I would start with the November call. It's almost 6 weeks there, so probably it is okay. We don't have to jump to the December. You can still look at November call. So I will be looking at November 16 or 15. So those are the calls when you want to take a look at it. So they were rallied quite a bit today and yesterday. So if it is trading around this range, you can start with a small pilot buy. So if it pulls back a little bit in the coming days, that would be great. But the bottom is around $1 or so, but the maximum around $1.29 for $16 call, or $1.62 for the $15 call. I would start with the 16. It's almost there. It's $14, so 2-point gain is no reasonable next 6 weeks. So you can start with either November 15 call or 16 call, and they rallied quite a bit today. So if it is the cool down in coming days, it may offer another attractive entry point here. Okay guys, I believe Power plug is now offering a secondary entry point at this price level. So let's see how the things behaves in coming days. I will put the tracker link in the description section of the video, so you can track it day in and day out. It will get updated at the end of the day with stock closing price, so we can measure the performance. Please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this stock and many stocks in coming days. And I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. Until then, have a great night.